Have you ever wondered why no one watches your video? Is it because no one cares about me and I'm a worthless piece of shit, but I just kill myself? No, it's because you don't know how to edit your intros. But fear not, because in this video I will teach you how to make intros so addictive that the viewers just can't click off your video.
I can't get out!
I will teach you the exact tricks that I've used as a video editor that got me over 100 million views on the videos that I've edited. That's right, more than 100 million. Just listen to some of my satisfied clients.
Tuna's been a great editor.
Tuna is a good editor.
Wow. So now that you know that you can trust me, let's cut the chase, let's get into it. A trick that literally all famous YouTubers do is something that I would like to call intro f***ery. Like in a Mr. Beast video, you have to boom, and they got the music, and they got text popping off, and they got sound effects, you got animation, text doing like the way we think. Whoa, what's going on? You're practically f***ing someone in the eye with dopamine. You're ruining our generation, but hey, you're here to make a good intro, not for a psychology and philosophy lesson. So I'm gonna teach you exactly how to do that kind of stuff. Step 1. Open up your Premiere Pro project. Step 2. Drag your footage in. Step 3. Chop it up so it's fast paced. Now we can add alt cuts to make our intro faster paced. To do this, select the next footage and then drag the audio down by one layer. Then hold alt and drag the footage to the right and then just marry them together. After our footage is all chopped up and good, let's add a nice zoom out effect. I use this free plugin called Mr. Horse. Let's add this impact sound effect so our intro is more hard hitting. Next, let's go ahead and subtitle what he's saying for the video. Now also let's add a pop in and drop shadow preset to the text, link in description. When he says weird, I want it to be more impactful, so I'm just gonna do a quick animation there.
Weird website.
Let's also add this suspenseful Mr. Beast type of music, then hit G and then bring the level down by -15. Next, when he talks about websites, I want to tease the upcoming websites, so I'm just going to put them in by half a second or so. Now let's add some slight zoom in so that we have constant motion. That is in my preset pack. Now he says I'll spend hours in the video, so to emphasize that, let's add some clocks on the screen. Hit Ctrl D so that it fades in smoothly. Now let's add a stopwatch effect and then a riser sound effect. Increase the tension, and there we go. We have a simple, cool, and effective freshly baked YouTube intro. It's actually a pretty obvious one, but give the people exactly what they will get in the video in the first 10 seconds or so, because people click on the video from the thumbnail and the title, and if you have a video that's titled how to make avocado toast, but if it's you like fighting dragons, people are gonna click off. Now, I can edit myself fighting a dragon because I'm a G. Well, you can't. Let me give you an example from one of my clients. I edit intros for Lockdown Life, and my intros are pretty simple and not overly edited for those kinds of videos. So when people click it, they know exactly that they just get like a chill Minecraft video. That's pretty entertaining. In fact, let me actually break down some of the tips and tricks that I've used in this video. So the first thing that I do, you're gonna notice that I have something new in the screen all the time. Just every half a second, something new registers in your eye.
We played Minecraft for 24 hours straight without sleeping.
And I am heavily utilizing sound effects.
It led to some extreme...
And here's a really cool thing that you can do. What I am doing is kind of teasing what's to come by pixelating some footage from further on in the video.
Really cool bases, some really funny moments. Oh no.
You didn't die.
Surely not.
And then I am putting some humor right into the start as well.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
So you know, you hear the bro, you hear the laugh effect, it makes you laugh. So immediately you feel something, you kind of pump for it.
And even some sleep-deprived arguments. Yeah, they were not fun. But anyways, come with us on our journey with this full-length 24-hour movie.
So yeah, it's a really simple intro. So you don't really have to do a Mr. Beast style intro. But speaking of that, let's move on to the next lesson. And number 3 is just to remind you that content is king. You can be the greatest editor of all time and edit a video to your best of your talents. But if the video is pretty crap, it's just not gonna get views because the topic is not interesting. For example, what a lot of short form editors do is they found a soundbite that someone someone is saying something that is interesting, and sometimes they don't even edit it. It's just them talking, but because it is so interesting, people will listen.
Like all of a sudden I'd be trying to prove that I'm not crazy when I knew I wasn't crazy.
Right.
So keep that in mind. The first sentence, the first words that you say are the most important thing in a video, and you don't have to over edit it. I know I'm an editing channel, but you can over edit and you can under edit, and they both can work, and you should be able to do them both. And I teach all of that in my community. It's called Chat Editor Academy. Click the link in description. I'm still building it, but it might be built by the time you're watching it. And thanks for watching, my friend. I'll see you in the next video, and click the video right here if you're struggling to get clients. And that's it, man. All right, see ya. Peace out. Safe.